In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add a new user account here on your PS5. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, grab your PlayStation 5 controller and just hit the center of the middle button. This is the exact center button on your controller. It looks like a PlayStation logo. And what you need to do is just scroll down until you see your profile picture down here, select it, and then hit switch user just like so. This is going to take you to a page that looks like this. What you're going to want to do is scroll over once to the left and hit add user, and it's going to redirect you to a new page that looks like this, where you're going to have a few different options. You could sign in, do quick play, or just hit get started. What I'd recommend doing is select get started, tick this little box, hit confirm, and then you're going to have the option to sign in and create an account with a QR code, or you could sign in manually, or you can create an account manually as well. Go ahead and do any of these setup processes, or you could just hit skip and play offline and you'll be able to just play offline. But enter in this and you'll be able to create a brand new account. And I've already done this recently, and this is my girlfriend's account that we have created on here. But once you do get that account fully created, you'll be launched directly into there. We could go up and then select on the profile picture just like here, hit profile, and then change your profile from this section just like so. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.